I've been trying my best to see. She tells me that I've got to wait because she's got to play with her rag doll, little rag doll. Oh, little rag doll. When I'm going to the movie show, she don't ever want to go. All she wants to do is stay at home so she can play with her rag doll, little rag doll. Oh, little rag doll. I tried to take her out to the dance, but she just sits there in a trance. The telephone, it rings and rings, but she just sits and sings to her rag doll, little rag doll. Oh, little rag doll. Now one of these days she's gonna pay just for treating me this way. The past